What's the difference between what is happening in different types of modern churches and worshippers of the devil? The followers of the devil are intensely excited by and preoccupied with worldly achievements, riches, sensual pleasures, vanity, pride, dominance, immediate reward, power, etc. The pastors of many modern churches are proponents of all the aforementioned. They don't harp on salvation, holiness, self-denial, humility, contentment, cleanliness of heart and mind. We are in the era of deceit. We are in the era of proud and vain talking pastors. We are in the era of many evil pastors, well dressed to disguise the ravening wolves that lurks within them.